An even skin tone adds to your beauty, and having dark knees and elbows can detract from it. This is a common issue that can make one self-conscious about wearing short-sleeved dresses and tops as well as skirts and shorts. Several natural remedies and simple skincare techniques can help solve this problem. Here are the top 5 home remedies for dark elbows and knees. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good remedy to lighten dark knees and elbows. It has vitamin E that can help lighten the skin tone and prevent dryness by keeping the skin hydrated and moisturized. Prepare a mixture with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and half teaspoon of lemon juice. Rub this solution on your dark elbows and knees and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wipe it off with paper towels. Do this once daily. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon has natural bleaching as well as exfoliating properties. Also, it has a high amount of vitamin C that helps remove dead cells and lighten skin tone. It can also promote regeneration of healthy skin cells. Apply lemon juice on your elbows and knees and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and apply a moisturizing lotion. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is also highly recommended for dark elbows and knees. It can help maintain an even tone and adds a nice glow to the skin. Mix a little turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of milk cream. Apply it on your knees and elbows and massage for a few minutes. Allow it to dry, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 4. Sugar. To lighten the skin tone of your knees and elbows, you can also use a homemade sugar scrub. Sugar granules help exfoliate dead skin cells and soften the skin. Mix equal amounts of sugar and olive oil to make a thick paste. Apply this paste on your knees and elbows and rub it around using circular motions for 5 minutes. Wash it off with a mild soap and warm water. Number 5. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle cleanser, hence it is effective for treating dark knees and elbows. It can help remove dead skin cells and reduce hyperpigmentation that forms around the knees and elbows. Prepare a paste with 1 tablespoon each of milk and baking soda. Apply it on the affected areas and rub it around in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and pat dry the area thoroughly. Additional tips. Massage your knees and elbows with shea butter or cocoa butter every night before going to bed. Scrub your skin regularly with a scrubber or pumice stone. Apply moisturizer regularly on your skin to prevent dryness. Follow a healthy diet that includes vitamins and minerals for optimal skin nourishment. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to enjoy soft and healthy skin.